Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this 2017 Lexus RX350 and I'm planning to replace the transmission fluid. This vehicle is currently at 120,000 miles, so I'll be inspecting the fluid to make sure it is in good condition to do a drain and refill, as I don't recommend to do a flush on anything with more than 50,000 miles. Under the vehicle on the driver's side, we can locate the drain plug and overflow plug for the transmission. I will remove the drain plug with a T40 Torx socket and catch a fluid sample to inspect its condition. If the transmission fluid is in reddish color or light brown color and does not smell burnt, we are okay to replace the fluid. If the fluid color is black, smells burnt, or has excessive debris, it is not recommended to replace. The transmission may have excessive wear and changing the fluid might do more damage than good. In this case, we are good, so I will proceed to remove the overflow plug, which is a 17mm hex socket. On newer vehicles, the manufacturers don't have a service interval for the transmission fluid replacement, since they call it lifetime fluid. But as a general rule, I would recommend to anyone to replace it every 60,000 miles. A transmission fluid drain and refill is way cheaper than replacing a whole transmission. So replacing your transmission fluid is one of the most important preventive maintenance steps that you can take to protect your vehicle and avoid expensive repairs. Transmission fluid plays several critical roles. It lubricates the many moving parts inside the transmission, reduces friction between gears, helps maintain proper hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting, and carries heat away from internal components to prevent overheating. Over time, however, transmission fluid begins to break down due to heat and normal wear. It can become contaminated with dirt, clutch material, and tiny metal particles, which reduces its ability to properly lubricate and cool the system. When old and dirty fluid circulates through the transmission, it can cause rough and delayed shifting, slipping, shuttering, and increased operating temperatures. If left unchanged for too long, this added stress can lead to premature wear of seals, clutches, and other internal components, potentially resulting in major transmission failure, which is one of the most costly automotive repairs. Regularly replacing your transmission fluid helps maintain smooth gear changes, improves overall driving performance, supports better fuel economy, and significantly extends the lifespan of your transmission. In the long run, staying on top of this maintenance is a relatively small investment that can save you thousands of dollars and keep your car running reliably for years to come. If you buy a car used, it is so important that you check the service history just so you know what services have been completed on that vehicle. The sales representative will always tell you that the cars are in excellent condition, but many times services have not been done. And even in certified pre-owned vehicles, they always do the bare minimum. So right now the transmission fluid has been completed draining, so we'll put the overflow plug back on and we will torque it to 35 foot-pounds. And I will also install the drain plug temporarily. On the driver's side, we will remove this panel to gain access to the filling plug, which will be a 24mm bolt. And also behind the fender there is a clip that will need to be removed. This is the filling plug on top of the transmission. We'll go ahead and remove it. I already measured the amount of fluid that I took out, so I'll be putting back in the same amount. I'll be using a manual pump with some hoses. After we have added the specified amount of transmission fluid, we'll put the plug back on. And we're going to get ready to do the transmission fluid level adjustment. I set the vehicle on jack stands and also the floor jack in the back to make sure that it's level. And we're gonna have to turn on the car and monitor the transmission temperature with a scan tool. After the engine has been started, we want to move the transmission through all the gears. So from park we move it to reverse, to neutral and drive for a few seconds each. And put it back in park. On the scan tool, we're going to look for the transmission control module so we can find the transmission temperature sensor. Right here on the automatic transmission oil temperature, we're gonna wait until the temperature reaches 95 degrees. The adjustment can be made between 95 and 113 degrees. So the transmission fluid temperature is now at 95 degrees. So I can now perform the adjustment, removing the T40 plug and let the transmission fluid drain out. The transmission fluid is overflowing slowly. That means that the transmission fluid is at the correct level. So put the plug back on. Once the fluid adjustments have been completed, we will put all the covers back on, and we also need to test drive the car to make sure everything is working properly. So if you reached the end of this video, thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.